We need to talk, friends. We need to talk. I am tired. So tired. I'm tired of being tired. Okay, a little dramatic. But listen, I always get questions about what I'm gonna buy from a new collection, a new drop. Have I seen this? Am I buying this? Listen, if you want to know how to, you know, have a, if I may say so myself, a fabulous luxury collection and not go broke doing it, we need to talk. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and boom, we friends, okay? Fabulous friends. Okay, listen. Enough of patting me on my back, which I like to do pretty often. Okay, so back on topic, people. Let's talk about how to afford luxury items. And listen, spoiler alert, okay, this has nothing to do with pre-loved. It D to the A to the M to the N don't have nothing to do with dupes or replicas, okay? This is, you know, fresh from the boutique. This is fresh from the website. This is legitimately how to afford luxury when you a regular person living a regular life, okay? That's me, okay? I am not over here making JC, Rockefeller, Beyonce, drop it like it's hot, where the single ladies at money, okay? So, and I must say, I have a very nice, this is not about you right here though, sorry. But I do have a nice collection, you know what I mean? And didn't break the bank, didn't go into debt, you know. Every once in a while I bribe my husband for a piece or two. But for the most part, okay, you know, it's all with my points, okay? And I get a lot of, especially since I've been on these YouTube streets, I get a lot of DMs, a lot of questions about what am I buying from, like, every single drop. Like, every single drop. Like, who? Ma'am. Beyonce did not write me a check. I have not seen Oprah this month. Now, I know. It's like, but I like some stuff. I like to shop. I do like to shop. But I also like, especially when it comes to luxury. Now, listen, I will go to the dollar store and make it rain, okay? But when it comes to luxury items, you have to be a little bit more, no, not a little bit, I'm sorry, a lot of it more strategic when you spending your money, because that's a lot of coins, okay? A bag can cost you a whole living room set. It can, I ain't lying. But here is a couple of, no, it's just two. I promise you, this is not an extensive list. It is two things you need to keep in mind when you buy luxury items that won't make you go broke, okay? The first and the biggest, stop trying to keep up with the girls. Stop trying to keep up with the girls, okay? You know the girls, the Instagram girls, the YouTube girls, the TikTok girls. Stop trying to keep up with them, okay? Here's the bottom line. If you would not have walked into the boutique, or if you would not have walked into the store, or if you would not have clicked on the bag on the website, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Just cause you saw Miss Ma'am style it and she looked cute, and then you swiped again and saw another fashion girl style it and it was cute, don't mean it's cute for you. Some things you just need to admire on your screen, okay? If it wasn't in your wheelhouse, if it wasn't in your vibe, if it was not on your radar, keep it off. Keep it off, okay? It's the luxury version of stop trying to keep up with the Joneses, okay? So getting back to somebody always asking me what I'm buying from a collection. If I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it. I don't care what YouTube want to see. I'm sorry. I love you. Love y'all. Y'all know we down like 4 flat tires, but I'm not going broke so I can showcase a bag on YouTube. I'm just not doing it. Now, if I see something in a collection that I like, that I'm vibing with, that I can style, that's in my aesthetic, that's in my vibe, how I like to do things, boom, dropping cash. But if it's not, I'm not going to buy it because it's new and it's, you know, something that I can show off on a TikTok. Sorry, not doing it. And I don't think you should do it either. I'm just saying. But at the end of the money, at the end of the money, is yours. But friendly advice, friend to friend, be careful on how you spend it, okay? Because these internet social media streets will have you dry. Second piece of advice is budget. Okay, now this is what I mean by budget, right? So I know that I could get caught up in a pretty picture, right? I know you just said, Rakita, didn't you just say don't fall for the Instagram of it all? I did. And I meant it. But sometimes I'm scrolling, minding my business, okay? And I will see something that I'm vibing with, that I like, that because it's brought to my attention, it's on my radar, and because it's in my aesthetic, it's how I would do things, it's something that I would buy regardless. Like I said, if I walked into a boutique and saw it, it's now on my radar, right? It's a legitimate Rakita purchase, right? So when I say budget, what I'll do is, because like I said, I don't want something from every drop, or not every month is something that I'm trying to spend money on. I tend to put money aside on the dry months. Dry months means things that I didn't buy, that month I didn't purchase big things or a lot of things or spend a lot of money, blah, 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 right? So according to your budget, set aside some money. So when something do swipe past your face, you have a luxury budget to spend it on. So then that way you're not pulling from your bill pot, your regular savings account pot. Oh, definitely not your credit card pot, okay? Don't do that. But put aside, so I have a luxury savings account, right? You have your regular savings account, then I have a luxury savings account. So I will set aside at minimum $300. You know what I mean? If I got a little extra because I ain't do nothing, or I ain't feel like going nowhere, or I ain't spend no money, whatever extra I have aside, right? I throw it in my luxury pot. So that way, when something comes up and it's something that I really want, I'm not just falling for the hype, then I have a pot of money that I can pull from that has nothing to do with my regular savings, bills, credit cards, blah. You get the point, okay? Okay, good people, that is it. You listen, I'm not trying to be all up in your business. I'm really not. It's your money, you earn it, spend it how you want to. However, we friends, okay? And sometimes friends need to tell friends things they don't want to hear, okay? And the biggest takeaway is don't support the girls, watch the girls, get inspired by the girls, but don't make the girls make you go broke, okay? So I promise you, if y'all see something across my channel, it's because I really love it, really liked it, purchased it anyway. Like, only be influenced if it's your thing, okay? Don't be influenced because it's popular. Don't be influenced because the girls told you, you need this. If I put up quotation marks with my hands one more again. Bottom line is, spend your money wisely, especially with luxury, because with these price increases, okay, listen, have a game plan. Have a game plan. But that is it, good people. So, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss unsolicited advice from your girl. Follow me on all social media. I am on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.